Illusion of safety all around, whispers of peace in every sound. But nature plots with silent rage, waiting to unleash its stormy page. Blue skies make us believe we're free, blind to the fury we can't see. Earth's heart beats with patient gloom, ready to spin us into doom. Nature's wrath comes without a sign, a quiet threat on borrowed time. We build our walls, they all come down. Mother Earth takes back her crown. Rivers rise and mountains fall, we hear the silent warnings call. But heedless we just carry on, until the calm is surely gone. In our hubris we think we're king, but in the end it don't mean a thing. Nature's breath can sweep away all illusions and the games we play. Nature's wrath comes without a sign, a quiet threat on borrowed time. We build our walls, they all come down. Mother Earth takes back her crown. Nature's wrath comes without a sign, a quiet threat on borrowed time. We build our walls, they all come down. Mother Earth takes back